Today is the official, I feel like I'm talking loud. Sorry, anyways. Today is day one of spending a full day here in Tokyo. Currently on our way to go eat ramen. We're here. So we're here at a duck ramen place. And this place is so quiet. I feel like we can't talk. Here's our ramen. It's so gooey. So we wanted to go see the cherry blossom, but it's raining. So we're gonna go to a coffee shop and wait for the rain to kind of die down, and then we're gonna go to the park. We're here. All right, we're ready to travel because we got some where are you? We got some ponchos at Daiso. We are finally gonna see the cherry blossoms. Wow, it's so pretty. Yes, this one is more pink. They're not fully bloomed, so I think maybe in like a couple days or so, it's gonna bloom even more. Look how pretty. And I love that it's like right by the water. We're getting this one with cheese. We have no idea what it is, but it looks good. So we're getting it.
Really good?
It has like the okonomoyaki sauce. So it's kind of like a rolled up okonomiyaki with cheese. We're going to this knife store to buy a knife. We're looking at knives right now. I really want to get a kitchen knife. So we came to the kitchen street. He likes this one.
Wife duties.
Feels nice.
You're better.
Yeah.
It is really easy.
The store where they sell food samples. That's really cool. We're on our way to May Cafe. Whoa! This is just a subway station. Look at all these Pokemon cards.
Apparently these are like super expensive. Yeah, these are super expensive.
Oh.
Is that $80?
Where is it?
Oh, it's $800,000.
Oh my goodness.
There's like a kid who opened a God pack that had all of this.
He got all of
I
these.
think he got all of it. Oh, actually, I saw a TikTok where like someone bought all of this for like 30-something thousand or something in the US.
God. We're going to a different maid cafe because the first one we went to didn't have like the performance, and we're looking for the performance one.
Sitting in the worst spot. I'm staring at the wall.
So I ordered the puffy parfait and it's so cute. After the maid cafe, we went home to chill, but now we're on our way to eat. What was it called?
It's like okonomiyaki, but the batter
It's like a wetter version of okonomoyaki. And there's like a whole street that's known for it, so we're gonna go eat that right now. We're here. I'm so excited.
She ordered a highball. You don't like it?
It's strong.
It's strong?
Yeah. Did you get an octopus in there? Cheers to the first night in Japan. Okay, we're now having okonomoyaki, and can we just take a moment to appreciate how orange this yolk is? It's beautiful.
Mine's all like
I just came back from dinner and we stopped by 7-Eleven. I got this drink. Apparently it's supposed to help you go to the bathroom. I haven't gone to the bathroom in like 2 days, so I'm hoping that this will help. Do you want to try? There's a drink like this in Korea that's orange and it kind of tastes like that. Now, if this doesn't work, I'm hoping that this will. On TikTok, everyone says that this will help you go. So we'll see which one works for me.